Your brain is keeping you broke. You're not lazy. Your identity is working against you. You tried discipline, motivation, routines. It worked for a week. Then everything collapsed. That's because you're fighting behavior, not identity. What I'm about to show you is how to rewire your brain so making money isn't something you chase. It becomes who you are. Let's get into it. Why your brain keeps you broke. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain has a built-in security system. Its only job? Keep you exactly who you are right now. Not who you want to be. Who you are. Scientists call this your self-concept network, a web of neurons that fires every time you think about yourself. And this network decides what behaviors are allowed and what gets shut down. Let me make this real. If you identify as someone who struggles with money, that's not just a thought. That's a neural pattern. When an opportunity to earn shows up, your brain activates and sends a signal. This isn't who we are. Reject this. So you procrastinate. You doubt. You don't follow through. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is protecting your identity. Most people try to fix this with goals and routines, but they never touch the identity layer. Your brain isn't trying to make you rich. It's trying to keep you familiar. You're trying to install millionaire software on a broke operating system. The system keeps crashing. That's why motivation dies. That's why you can't stay consistent. You're running the wrong identity. The fix isn't more effort. It's an identity rewrite. And that happens in 3 steps. The 3-step rewiring protocol. Step 1. Proof. Your brain builds identity through evidence. Every action you take is a vote for who you are. So if you want to become someone who makes money, you don't start by trying to make $10,000. You start by making $10. Sell something small, freelance 1 hour, close 1 client. Why? Because your brain doesn't care about the amount. It cares about the pattern. When you earn $10, you're not just making money. You're collecting evidence that you're the kind of person who earns. That small action fires a signal to your brain. We're someone who gets paid. Do that 10 times and you're not building a habit. You're rewiring your identity. Your brain stops resisting money. It starts expecting it. Step 2. Pressure. Here's where most people lose. They make private promises. I'm going to start a side hustle. I'm going to make more money. And because it's private, the brain treats it as optional. But when you declare it publicly, your brain's social system activates. Private goals feel safe. Public identity forces action. Suddenly, failure isn't just personal, it's visible. And your brain will do anything to avoid social loss. Here's how to use this. Write down your identity shift, not a goal, your identity. I am a person who earns $5,000 per month through specific method for the next 90 days. Sign it, post it, tell people who matter. Now when your brain says, skip today, there's a counterforce. If I quit, everyone knows I couldn't deliver. That's not pressure, that's strategic accountability. Step 3. Environment. The final step locks everything in. Your environment shapes your identity. If your environment supports your broke self, your rich self will never survive. So you don't rely on willpower. You engineer inevitability. What does that look like? If you want to become someone who earns online, don't keep your laptop closed. Open it before bed. Set your workspace ready. If you want to become someone who closes clients, put your sales script on your desk. Remove friction between intention and action. The most successful people aren't more disciplined. They've designed their life so making money is the path of least resistance. And when that happens, the identity shift becomes automatic. The lock-in effect. Now here's where it gets powerful. Once you've rewired your identity using these 3 steps, your brain stops negotiating. Do the same action in the same place long enough, and your brain stops asking questions. The behavior becomes hardwired. You're no longer deciding to work on your business. You just do it. You're no longer choosing to earn. You are someone who earns, and that's where 100% control comes from. Not from forcing yourself to act differently, but from becoming someone who can't act any other way. Let me give you a real example. There was a guy who couldn't stick to anything for more than 2 weeks. He tried every productivity hack. Nothing worked. Then he declared publicly, I am a person who works 2 focused hours on my business every morning at 6 a.m. for 90 days. He told everyone. He set up his workspace the night before. He made it inevitable. By day 30, something shifted. He wasn't working because he had to. He was working because that's who he was. 6 months later, he'd replaced his salary. Not because he worked harder, because he rewired his identity first. That's the difference between trying to make money and being someone who makes money. Let's recap. Most people stay broke because they're trying to force behaviors onto a broke identity. The solution is the 3-step rewiring protocol. Step 1. Proof. Take small actions that prove you're someone who earns. $10 beats $0, always. Step 2. Pressure. Make it visible, write it down, sign it, tell people. Activate your brain's social system. Step 3. Environment. Remove friction. Design your space so earning money is the easiest option. Do this long enough, and your brain stops asking questions. You stop trying to make money. You become someone who makes money. That's 100% control. Now here's what most people miss. Even after you rewire your identity, there's one invisible pattern that destroys everything. It's not laziness. It's not a lack of focus. It's something most people don't even see happening. And it's the reason 90% of people fall back to zero. In the next video, I'm exposing this hidden sabotage pattern and the exact system elite earners use to stay locked in for years. Don't miss it. If this shifted how you see success, subscribe and hit the bell. Comment one identity shift you're making right now. Let's build wealthy minds. See you in the next one.